So today I'm breaking down ServiceNow and exactly what Tier 1 companies use it for. But before we go step by step, there's one thing most people don't realize about ServiceNow. It's not just an IT tool, not just a ticketing system, it's actually the backbone platform that keeps Fortune 500 workflows running smoothly. And once you understand how companies use it, the whole platform suddenly makes sense. Let me show you the outcome first. Imagine this: no more email chains, no more manual approvals, no more who's responsible for this. Instead, incidents route themselves, approvals happen automatically, teams across IT, HR, finance, security all flow through one system. That's the real power of ServiceNow. And Tier 1 companies rely on it because it removes chaos and replaces it with structure. Before breaking it down, here's the core idea. ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform designed to help business automate workflows, manage digital tasks across departments, whether it's IT, HR, or customer support, fixing IT issues, tracking employee requests, managing customer inquiries. ServiceNow simplifies all of it by automating repetitive tasks and reducing manual work entirely. Now, let's break down the main modules. First, IT service management. This is what people most know. Incident management, problem management, change requests. All automated to cut down the manual work. Second, HR service delivery. Onboarding, offboarding, and employee requests, routed automatically without emails or checklists. Third, security operations, threat alerts, vulnerability scans, incident response, centralized and automated. Fourth, asset and operations management, tracks software, hardware, and cloud resources, updated without manual input. And lastly, cross-department workflow automation, finance, legal, facilities, all running workflows on the same platform. And that's it. That's my quick breakdown of what ServiceNow actually does for Tier 1 companies. If you want a beginner-friendly tutorial on using ServiceNow or building your first workflow, drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.